This would be actually a quick analysis on our natural gas for the week. As you can see on our daily time frame, we are starting to have something like an uptrend move. First of all, our natural gas has actually been trending downward. It has actually been falling, by the way. And now we are starting to see this higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So you can see this higher highs. And I personally believe, but it might not happen that way. I personally believe we might see that highs to our 7.645. We are currently trading at 7.051. If we can see that our highs bullish move till our 7.645, then we're very much likely to see a fall. That is exactly what I am aiming to see on our natural gas. A little bit of a bullish move. That is exactly what I would want to see. Then possibly a fall. If our price does not break above it and continue to go up, then we would see a fall on our natural gas for the week. As you can see on our 4-hour time frame too, you can see our 4-hour time frame, we are actually on an uptrend move, by the way. So we are still on the 4-hour time frame, we are an uptrend move. Daily time frame, uptrend move. So we would also want to follow the uptrend move as we are seeing it, except our price starts giving us multiple break of structure downward on our maybe probably 30 minutes time frame. Then we can consider going, consider shorting it. Apart from that, we probably would not want to actually short our natural gas. So above all is that I would want to see my natural gas goes up to about 7.6. Then after it, we might actually see a fall on our natural gas for the week.